We have a Stone Coat Epoxy coupon in this video to say thank you to our loyal customers. Our shipping is fast.
We love getting your package to you in a couple days.
Find out right now how Stone Coat Countertops started from scratch and built the most comprehensive epoxy customer service company on planet Earth. This is why Stone Coat Epoxy rocks. We have the best shipping department, the best customer service, we have the best product support. Stay tuned, enjoy the video.
Thanks for calling. I just want to remind you, go to our YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified of every new awesome video we produce. We love to help you guys and this helps us do that.
Hey, I'm Jeff at Stone Coat Countertops, and we doubled down on shipping for you.
Kevin, Stone Coat Countertops, order before noon Pacific time.
We'll get it out the same day.
Comes in one day and it comes out that same day. That's our goal, immediate shipping.
When we hit our goals,
We celebrate!
My name is Caleb. We take pride in how fast we can get these orders out. Thank you for your business.
Hey, we wanted to give a big thank you to all of our loyal customers and all your continued support by giving you 10% off in our store by using the coupon code YouGotThis. Thank you very much.
Stone Coat Countertops, this is Mitch. How can I help you?
Hi, my name's Selena. Hi, my name's Crystal. I'm Taya.
All right, Amanda. Well, hey, since you went ahead and got your order placed before noon,
Before noon Pacific time,
we're able to get that out same day for you.
we can get that out the door and on the truck and on its way to you today.
I just want to thank you for your business and remember, you got this. I couldn't be more happy of how our team is constantly hitting these goals.
We also created an in-depth training portal for you. You have PDFs, your checklist, everything you need to get the job done. All you need to do, play that video and create alongside Mike.
And
You got this.
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 From all of us here at Stone Coat Countertops, you got this! We'll see you on the next video.
So what are you waiting for? Come on, click the button and let's get going. Click the link, because you got this.
Stone Coat Countertops, you got this.
I know you do. You definitely got this.